Welcome to your Sleep Data Guide.
Understanding your sleep data can help you build healthier habits and get better rest. In this guide, you'll learn how to read and interpret the most common sleep metrics found in popular tracking apps. By the end, you'll be more confident in using your data to make meaningful changes to your nightly routine.
What are sleep stages?
Most sleep apps break down your night into different stages: light sleep, deep sleep, REM sleep, and sometimes awake time. Each stage plays a unique role in your rest and recovery. Light sleep is common early in the night, deep sleep is restorative, and REM is linked to dreaming and memory. Tracking these helps you spot patterns over time.
Understanding sleep duration and efficiency.
Sleep duration tells you how many hours you actually slept, while sleep efficiency shows the percentage of time you were asleep versus in bed. High sleep efficiency usually means you fall asleep easily and stay asleep. Use these metrics to see if you're getting enough rest or spending extra time awake during the night.
Recognizing trends and patterns.
Most sleep tracking apps display your sleep data over days or weeks so you can spot trends. Look for changes in your total sleep time, consistency of sleep stages, and any frequent disruptions. Consistent patterns show healthy habits, while sudden changes or recurring issues might signal lifestyle factors affecting your sleep.
Tips for improving your sleep with data.
Use your sleep data as a tool for positive change. Aim for a regular bedtime, reduce screen time before sleeping, and create a relaxing environment. Adjust your habits and track how these changes show up in your sleep metrics. Over time, using your sleep data can help you enjoy deeper, more refreshing rest.